Now I'm gonna ask this carpentry to sewing out with the bandsaw. Just a favor. I'm gonna pay them for sure for the work. And this is the thorn tree. I'm gonna make it a bit deeper than the one that I usually have in C sharp. This one is gonna be kind of a B note, maybe in A note. Let's see. Here we go. We are in MF carpentry here. In Pordenone is a fraction of the borough of Aviano. Aviano, Pordenone, Le Fornaci is the place here, close to Aviano. Here is the thorn tree. It's going to be cut. It's probably in this line here, the natural line. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's going to be just on his own. He's going to cut it on his own. Grazie mille. Ciao, everybody. And here we go. Now there are two halves. Thanks to the wonderful carpentry from Pordenone, Italy. Pordenone, Italia, località Le Fornaci. Poi metterò il numero telefonico di qua o di qua, non so dove farò l'editing, poi vedremo dove viene fuori. Perché gente veramente in gamba che insomma mi ha fatto anche gratuitamente. E io il minimo che posso fargli per questo grande lavoro è la pubblicità. Ciao a tutti e appena vediamo come funzionerà, perché adesso dovrò tagliarlo dentro, richiuderlo e vedere. Sono emozionato. Buona giornata a tutti. Go. This one I just finished and is in a B tune. Very, very nice. I'm gonna play now, right here. I wanna hear the sound. And this one is about to be cut, and I just put the resin because it's burnt. So in order not to get dirt, I put the resin before the cut. And this one too is going to be cut in half, and see. I'm very excited to see how they're going to play this didgeridoo. But this one for sure, he plays quite well. I want to play with the bells. Okay, here we go. Let's do a test. This is in B tune, perfectly in a B tune, and now I'm gonna hear with the bells. It sounds fine, but this bell is one in C sharp, another one in E. It has been to be played, has to be played more. It's very new. It's probably very deep for me. It's a new tune in B tune. I probably had to cut a bit and bring it to uh, a C tune, a C note. Probably I cut a bit here. But obviously, because it plays very well, and it comes with the B note as soon as it finished and it play. I didn't even cut it here, and he came up with a note so amazingly well. But obviously, probably just set it up a bit to bring it to the C tune. That's fine. I like it very much.